Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you're having a wonderful day. And in today's video, I'm gonna be doing another unboxing video and I'm gonna be unboxing my December beauty box. And here it is. I'm so excited to show you what's inside this box. Okay, let's see what's inside my December beauty box. The theme is "The joy is in the journey." Okay, let's jump in with the first product. It's heated eyelash curler. Okay, let me show you what it looks like. Let me take it out from the box. And of course, it comes with user manual and a USB charging cable. And here's the eyelash curler. It's pretty. There you can see the shift key, the power key, and the low temperature indicator. So cool. It's fully rechargeable and super easy to use. And there's a missing beauty box item. It's Plot Twist Long Lasting Mascara. I can't wait to get it so I can use the heated eyelash curler. The next product is Drama Free. It's a skin repair serum, and this serum fixes a lot of skin problems like aging, collagen loss, redness, sensitivity, acne, eczema, psoriasis, and scarring. And there's also a drama-free refill. And I love their Treasure Not Trash refill program because with every refill purchase at a discount, they plant a tree to combat global deforestation. Awesome, right? Okay, next product is a lip pencil. And it comes with a built-in sharpener. Okay, our next product is Lip Job Sugar Lip Scrub. And this scrub gently exfoliates chapped lips to make them soft and smooth. And the flavor is candy cane. The last but not the least is Lip Nirvana. It's a matte lipstick and it has a mirror and an LED light, and the shade is Committed. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and share, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!